Happy New Year! We here at Craft Gin Club are happily ringing in the new year with our January 2021 Gin of the Month, Pennington's Lakeland Moon Snowfell Gin. And because our Gin of the Month comes to us from the Lake District, our master mixologist Maria has whipped us up a bewitching cocktail suitable to reflect the bewitching beauty of this magical place. Our January 2021 cocktail of the month is a Lady of the Lakes. We'll start with a highball full of ice. Then we'll add 50 ml of Pennington's Lakeland Moon Snowfell Gin. Next, we'll add 25 ml of our Lady of the Lakes cocktail syrup. Then we'll add 100 ml of Esprella apple and red plum. Next is 5 ml of fresh lime juice. Then we'll give it all a gentle stir. Ooh, that's good. We'll garnish with dehydrated apple. Cheers!